Viewers, if you have a sports watch like this and the time is already set to the 24-hour format and you want to switch it to AM/PM format, then the method is very easy. Just watch the video till the end. My name is Ishtiyaq Ahmad and you are watching my channel Sayyidi Watch Jumper. Viewers, to set the AM and PM time on this watch, you need the bottom main menu or mode button. Press it once, press it again, and you can see the seconds are blinking. After that, press the bottom button. Here the minutes are blinking. Press the bottom button again, and here the hours are blinking. Now you need to set it to AM/PM. Viewers, for that you need to press the top button like this. As you keep pressing it like this, you can see the A appears here, meaning the AM setting has come on. Now you need to keep moving forward like this. So viewers, here you can see that between 12 and 7 it shows PM. It also shows a P at the top. Viewers, now the setting has been changed to AM and PM. So this watch, sports watch, can be set to AM/PM like this. Viewers, after that press the mode button again. Then you can see the home screen is back. That is how you can set AM/PM on this watch. I hope you like this video. If you did, like it, share it with others. And if you have any issue with this watch or any kind of watches, tell me in the comment section. You can see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.